Hi, this is Antenna Reads and I'm your Helena. Alright, this is my first Korean alphabet lessons. If you like Korean drama or if you like K-pop, then of course you want to learn how to read Korean alphabet, right? And actually there are so many websites and also lots of videos that you can find to learn Korean alphabet. But if you are here, maybe until now you don't know how to read it. Alright, so I will help you. The first part is the simple vowel and simple consonant part. Okay, the first vowel is A. A. I'm pretty sure it's really easy to pronounce. Okay? A. A. Very good. And then the next is O. 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 Oh, let's see. Can you pronounce? Alright. Before I say A, and this one is O. O. Can you see the size of my circle? You know, when I say A, it's big, but O, it's middle-sized circle, right? O. O. Okay, please imitate the shape of my lips, alright? Then let's see the next one. Next one is O. 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 Like a kiss, alright? O. O. Easy. The next one is a similar shape. Oo. 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 Okay. Let's compare these two. O. O. And next one. Oo. Oo. So as you can see, my lip is O. Oo. Is pulled out. Alright? O. Oo. Okay. Then let's pronounce from the first. It's 4. Okay? So the first one is, please repeat, A. A. And next one, O. O. And next one, O. O. And next one is U. U. Alright, so if you see this 4 continuously, it looks like this. Just focus on my lips, alright? A. O. O. U. One more time. A. O. O. U. Alright, it's now your turn. Okay? Very good. Very good. Alright, and then let's see this 2 line. 2 line. Alright, so this one is, it's easy. Yeah, easy. So you can just imitate this shape with your lips. Try. How? Sound like this. Like this. And then I pronounce like ooh, ooh. Alright, so if you're not sure how to make this sound, then attach your teeth here as well, okay? And then just think about really horrible or gross things, alright? Then ooh, ooh, it's easy, right? Ooh, 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 ooh. Very good. Okay, and then the next one is show me your smile. How to? E, 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 E. Okay, so E means your teeth. Yeah, so show me your teeth with your smile. E, 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 E. Okay, so as you can see, these 2 lines, when you pronounce these 2, your lips also looks similar. U, and next one, E. U, E. Okay? Alright. And it looks something more complex, but don't be afraid. Alright? So actually it's easy. We know already how to pronounce the first line. It was A, right? And then here is one more vertical line, okay? And when it makes H sound, or H, when you pronounce H, the first sound is A, right? This is A sound. A, 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 A. Easy, right? Okay. And the next one, also, yeah, it just attached one more line after O. But how can we pronounce this one? Yeah, you're lucky because it's the same sound like before. So it's A sound. A, 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 A. All right. Then I have a question. So can you see the differences between the two? This one and then this one? Huh? All right. Actually, I don't know. What? Yeah, as a native Korean, we don't really can, distinguish these two sounds. So you don't worry about it. These two is just the same sound, okay? So A. We have two A sound, all right? A. Very good. And next. So next one is O sound plus one line. And then how we pronounce this one? Have you ever heard about it? Where? Okay. 자, it means why, where. Actually, we have three we sound, and this is one of them, the first we sound. Yeah, the spelling is different, but the pronunciation is the same. Way. Okay, very good. And then the next one is U plus E. And this is we. We are good. Yeah, we. All right. How was it? Difficult? So we just finished the 10 vowel. Yeah. And then look at this chart. Yeah. And then let's pronounce together. Yeah. The first line, okay? A, O, U. You get confused? Slowly, one more time. A, O, U. Okay. Maybe you confused the second one, right? Okay, let's pronounce the second one more time. The second one is O sound. 자, Can you pronounce this? O sound. And then, can you pronounce O and U clearly? O, U. Alright? O, U. So I will show you the left O, U. So can you see my lips is go up in front? I don't know how can I say that in English, but you know already. O, U. Okay? 자, and these two lines, of course, E. You got it? Alright. 자, and then A. We have two A. Please remember. A. And then the next one is way. And then last one, we. Okay. Are you okay? Alright. 자, if you're ready, I will go to the next part. 14 consonant. 자, the first one looks like. Anyway, so this one you can see G and K together, what this means. So when I pronounce this one, it's like just the middle of, between G and K sounds. So this is 그 sound, 그. Alright? 자, and you're looking at the letter now. 자, this is 그 sound plus one vowel. It was 아. Okay? Then how can you pronounce this? 그 plus 아 sound. That is 가. Alright. So next one is just the similar things. So anyway, this is N sound. So let's try how to read with the vowel A. That is na, 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 na. Alright, na means me. Na, na. Very good. 자, and the next one is D or T. What is it? Like a G and K, it also middle of D and T. 자, then listen carefully. How can I pronounce? 타, 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 타. Okay, very good. Alright, and then the next one is L sound. But you can see there are. But actually native Korean cannot pronounce R sound, you know? So you can just easily think it's L sound, alright? So when I pronounce this one is la, la, la. Easy. La, la. Okay. And then next one is square, and square sound is M, M. So I can say ma, ma, mama, mama, mama. Okay. And then the next one, you can see this is B and P sound. B and P. So middle of B and P, you got it. You know already. That is pa, 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 pa. Very good. 자, and next one is S sound. S sound. Alright? So when I pronounce this one is 사, 사, 사. But be careful, it's not sa. Sa. It's not sa. This is 사. 사. Soft. Okay? 사. You know how to say I love you in Korean? That is 사랑해, 사. Very good. Alright, the sucker has no sound. No, but there's NG sound actually. But today, I don't want to let you know how to pronounce. But how can I pronounce this one? Yeah, just vowel sound. So it's a, 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 ah. Good. And the next one is, yeah, J sound. J. No. It's a little soft J. So 차, 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 차. Yeah, lots of my students say cha is like a CH sound, but then I can say it's the middle of CH and G, J sound. So 차, 차, 차. Okay? 자자. 자자 means let's go to bed. 자자, yeah, after this lesson. Okay. And next one is CH sound. CH. Then how can I pronounce this? This is 차, 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 차. Very good. 차. Okay. And then we have K sound. K sound is K. So how can I say this one? 카, 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 카. Very good. And the next one is T sound. T sound. So 타, 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 tada. Okay, 타. All right, and next one is P. P sound. So I can pronounce this one. 파, 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 파. Okay. And the last one already. This is H sound. And H sound is so I can say that ha, 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 ha. All right. If you're already familiar with Korean alphabet, maybe you already know what is this? What is it? Ha 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 or hey, hee. So many sound of laughing. All right. So this is 14 consonant. So now let's read together from the first one. 가, yeah, twice. 나, 다, 라, 마, 바, 바, 사, 사, 아, 자, 자, 차, 차, 카, 타, 파, 하. Very good. Then now it's your turn. Okay, so I'll give you time. Please read this chart by yourself. Okay. Alright. It was good. Good. Okay. Then I'll give you a little bit tips. Okay. So when you pronounce these two, ka and ka, there is a difference, okay? Ka, 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 ka. Listen carefully. Ka is more like G sound, okay? Because we have ka. Ka is actually, clearly K sound. So, ka, 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 ka. Alright? And also the other one, ta, 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 D and T. Alright? And also we have pa, 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 pa. Yeah, and I know you're also confused with this too. Ta, cha, ta, cha, ta, cha. If there is no difference, okay, then I'll give you tips, more tips. Yeah, if you have a tissues, then you can practice with this. Ka, 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 ka. Okay, and ta, 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 ta. All right, and pa, 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 pa. And cha, 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 cha. You can practice with your tissues. All right.